Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play. So I want to show you how to make a cranberry pineapple cherry sweet and sour sauce. Okay? And we're going to put a little lemon juice in it for the sour. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to call it exactly yet, but I know it's going to be cranberry something, sweet and sour. Okay, alright, so let's get right into it, shall we? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share the video with others, and let everybody know what we're doing over here, because they may need to know how to make a sweet and sour sauce, right? Okay, so let me see. Why don't I start with the word of the day? The word of the day is Do you feel like sometimes you don't have any energy? Do you feel like sometimes you just can't catch up with your rest? Then you probably feel that way. So figure out a day, real soon, that you can just take it down. Don't do nothing. Just take it down that day. People call and say, you want to go here, there? No, don't want to go nowhere. I'm just going to be on the couch today and catch up on your rest, because your body is telling you that you need to slow it down and take a day to just rest. Rest for you. That's the word of the day. Alright, so let's do it. So I have here, this I would say is about maybe a pound and a half maybe of cranberries, dried cranberries. I bought 2 packages and I had some here, so I think the total is around a pound and a half of cranberries. Okay, I have 1 jar of cherries that's 10 ounces. It says salad cherries, but any kind of cherries will do. And this is chunk pineapples. If you don't have chunk pineapples and you have these sliced pineapples, you can just cut them up and it does the same thing. Okay? Alright, so now we're going to add 2 of these. 2 6 ounces of water in this pot here. And make sure you can see the pot. There we go. So that's 1 I put in already. And this is 2. Okay. To that we're going to add brown sugar. Okay, so let's start with a cup of this brown sugar. Pack down. Okay, 1 cup of brown sugar packed down. Alright. Now we're going to add the juice from the pineapples. So I didn't even take the top all the way off. I just cracked it. Okay, so I can get the juice out. So that's moving a little too slow for me. And crack it a little more. There we go. That's a little better. Okay, and the juice from the cherries. Let's see how I'm going to do that. Okay. Let's stir that up. And now you want to taste it to see how sweet that is. Also, we got to add our lemon juice. Oh, I can't open that. Let's see. Okay. So we're going to count to 3 on the lemon juice. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, I want to taste it now. It's okay, but it's not sweet enough. Nowhere near sweet enough. So I'm going to add another cup of brown sugar. Packed down. Another cup of brown sugar. Okay, so we have 2 cups in there now. And I also want to add some cinnamon. Okay, just sprinkle it in. I don't know, as much as you like. That's probably maybe 3-4 tablespoons, maybe. Spice is your choice, how much or little you want to add. Okay, so I'm going to let this start cooking. And the other thing that we're going to have to add to this is something to thicken it up, like cornstarch or flour. Okay, so let me get one of those items and I'll be right back. Meanwhile, we'll have this cooking to thicken up. It will start thickening up because of the brown sugar, but it needs some help. I'll be right back. Okay, so let me go back some. The cornstarch is here. Cornstarch. Okay. Let's start with 3 heaping. That means running over. Okay. Tablespoons of cornstarch. And I want to get some broth from, not broth, juice from the juice that's cooking on the stove. So this is about 3/4 a cup. This doesn't matter how much, because what you're going to do is just mix this until it becomes a paste. And then you're going to pour it in. So let me let you see me mix it. Okay guys, I want you to see this. Okay, so it looks pretty watery, and it is, until it starts cooking over here on the stove. Okay, so let's pay attention back to the stove. And we're going to put the cornstarch in here that we mixed with the juice from this pot. And the reason why I mixed it separately, that's to make sure we don't have any lumps and stuff like that, okay? Now that'll start thickening up. we'll see how that goes. Okay, now, meanwhile, while I'm waiting on that to thicken up, I want to cut these cherries in half because you know everybody wants a cherry. So if you leave them whole, you need to buy a couple of containers. If not, just buy one and cut them in half. Oh, you might not can see me. Is that better? No, not at all. That's a little better. Okay. So this is to go along with our Thanksgiving theme, the cranberries, right? And the ham. Everybody's gonna be eating good Thursday. All right. Okay, don't forget to stir this. Okay, so I'm gonna finish cutting these and I'll bring you right back. Okay guys, so now let me show you. You can see it's getting thick. It's coating the spoon. You see that? I'm gonna put this up a little higher so you can see good. See? Almost looks like syrup. So if you never have any syrup in your house, this is something else you can do if you have fruit. And you can use this as syrup. Fruit syrup. Okay, so now let's start putting our stuff in. I'm going to put the pineapples in. As soon as I can get it off. And our dried cranberries. And our cherries. Okay. Now I'm going to get a clean spoon and taste it. Now remember when you're tasting it, it's hot, so it's like syrup, so you don't want to get burnt. Blow it. Oh wow. So good. Okay, we are good and done. That quick. I'm going to put it actually on a plate so you can see it really good. I'm not sure how good you'll be able to see it in a bowl. Okay, let's see. Oh, I can put it in a white bowl. That'll work. Okay, let me wipe my edge. Okay guys, will you look at that? Oh my goodness. And let me tell you, it tastes good. Okay, so you can make this and you can put it on cakes, desserts, pancakes, chicken, pork. I can just go on and on and on and on and on. Ham, just about anything. You can put it on your English muffin, toast your English muffin and put it on there. You have your fruit for the morning. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Okay. All right. I don't think I'm going to be able to get a thumbnail because this is probably too full. Let's see. Best I can do. Okay. And this is my thumbnail. Okay. Alright guys. That was a quickie for you. So now you can enjoy that on anything you want. And you can use it for your Thanksgiving meal in some sort of way. Okay? Alright. So I'm going to incorporate it into a meal for Thanksgiving. I'll let you know what that is on the next video, okay? Alright, hit that thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. And remember, when you're out of syrup, you don't need to go run for syrup. If you have fruit, you can make syrup just like that. Alright, talk to you soon. Love you. Subscribe. Thanks.